What strategies work best on Amazon right now? When it comes down to strategies, one of the strategies that is always going to work, especially if you already have brand recognition and you have search volume for your brand keywords, is targeting your own branded name and your own ads. That is one strategy that always works. There are different people in the Amazon space considering that should not be a go-to strategy. I differ just because I have enough proof to see that that strategy is really working. So that is one of the strategies that still work best on Amazon right now in 2026. Another strategy that works best on Amazon is making sure that besides the top performing campaigns that are bringing you most sales, you're also going to test at least 5 to 10% ad spend and get that towards whatever Amazon is releasing. For the past 2 months, we started a lot of AMC campaigns. AMC campaign, it's Amazon Marketing Cloud platform, and we're targeting audiences. So we are not targeting products, we're not targeting keywords, we are targeting people who did X specific task. So if they clicked on our ad, if they already purchased, if they did not purchase, so there are several different filters. You can check out Amazon MC, that's how it's called. It's one of the strategies we're continuously seeing work. Not all strategies are going to work out well. Some strategies are going to work better than others. So this is why I'm saying that should not be having allocated more than 5 to 10% of your total ad spend for those things. But usually what we're seeing on our end is that just because less people are testing it, you still have a more competitive advantage when it comes down to cost per click. It can still highly be relevant to your category if you're still selling it supplements or health and beauty and so on. The cost per click is still going to be high, but at least you're targeting one specific audience that already showed you interest with whatever you have to sell.